Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get aged Ginseng Wukong. First, understand that acquiring genuine aged Ginseng Wukong involves a meticulous process. This rare and potent herb is sought after for its unique properties, making authenticity crucial. You'll need to identify reliable sources that specialize in high-quality, traditionally prepared ginseng. This ensures you receive a product that meets your expectations for efficacy and value. Next, focus on authenticating the ginseng. Genuine aged Wukong ginseng typically exhibits a dense, firm texture and a deep, rich color. Its aroma should be distinct and earthy, not faint or artificial. Look for clear growth rings, which can indicate age. Consulting an expert or a trusted herbalist for verification is a wise step to confirm its authenticity and quality. When sourcing, prioritize certified traditional Chinese medicine practitioners or established herbal stores. These vendors often provide documentation, such as certificates of origin or age, which are vital for verifying your purchase. If buying online, choose specialty retailers with extensive positive reviews and transparent sourcing information. Always be wary of deals that seem too good to be true, as they often are. Finally, proper storage is essential to maintain your aged ginseng's potency. Keep it in a cool, dry, and dark environment, away from direct sunlight and humidity. An airtight container is ideal to prevent moisture absorption and protect against pests. With correct storage, your aged Ginseng Wukong can retain its valuable medicinal properties for many years, ensuring its long-term efficacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.